Where multiple showers are located close together or above each other within a property, it may be that they could benefit from energy savings while being connected to just one single wastewater heat recovery system. The limitations would be the draw-off length between the wastewater heat recovery system and the shower valve, and the design shower flow rates. When connected to System A, the maximum combined shower flow rate is 16 litres per minute, as the wastewater heat recovery system is supplying preheated water to both the shower cold feeds and the hot water source. If a flow rate greater than 16 litres per minute is required, and any SAP calculations that may be in place allows, then a System C configuration could be considered. With the preheated water supplying only the hot water source in this case, the combined shower flow rate can be up to 24 litres per minute. If the hot water source is a considerable distance from the wastewater heat recovery system, then System B configuration could provide a solution to supply preheated water to the cold feed of the showers only, again allowing for a combined shower flow rate of 24 litres per minute, but with a lower SAP score and efficiency. As with the single shower installation, preheated water pipework between the wastewater heat recovery system and the shower cold feeds should not exceed 4.75 metres total length in 15mm pipework. Wastewater pipework from each shower into the wastewater heat recovery system should not, where possible, exceed 3 metres, to minimise heat loss before entering the wastewater heat recovery system. Multiple wastewater heat recovery systems may be required where multiple showers are installed within a property but are not close together. Only one wastewater heat recovery system can be connected as System A or C system configuration, and additional units should be connected as System B configuration. Consideration should be given to which shower we use the most and their distances from the hot water source when choosing the primary shower to connect as System A or C. Please contact us if you need additional information or guidance on multiple showers being installed within a property with wastewater heat recovery systems.